Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Chrono.tech token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Chrono.tech is a blockchain-based ecosystem focused on transforming the global requirement and freelance labor market by connecting businesses with contractors directly. Purpose: it aims to streamline short-term employment and payments, inefficiencies in traditional requirement. Technology: the ecosystem operates on the multiple blockchains and uses a plasma-based exchange for fast low-cost transactions. Ecosystem: its core products include a freelance marketplace, a crypto exchange, a payroll solution, and stablecoin. Chrono.tech project institution rating is 4.4, and this project audited by Hacken. Chrono.tech token total supply is around 710,000 and circulating supply is also 710,000. Time token is listed on Coinbase, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.